Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Today I am here with the new updates, new video. I'm going to show you how we can fix the leaking in the ceiling or broken ceiling, wet ceiling, how we can fix it properly and then back it to normal. So you are going to learn in this video how we can do it by ourselves. The ceiling we can fix and then we see everything in this video. So if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to our topic and then continue our work. So friends, this ceiling, as you can see, the always water leaking. So this man going to adjust this ceiling. So we are he is cutting the ceiling all. Because of the water leaking, this ceiling already spoiled. So now they are going to cut this ceiling and then put the new piece additional. So we see how they can put. Okay friends, so now as you can see already all the parts we take out ready. Now fixing the iron bar for the new ceiling, then for the new screw. So we are going to fix the iron bar to fix the screw for the new ceiling. This one outside finishing. Now this one is final step, just finishing, because outside got leaking water, so we already cleaned all everything. Now just doing the finishing outside. Then inside we fixed the iron bar for the new ceiling. So ceiling we new parts we fix ready. Now closing the hole with the plaster. So we are closing the hole, so become the same position. Then leveling all everything. Now level with the plaster. So as you can see, this one all new parts. Before all broken ceiling, wet ceiling, all we take out ready. So then all parts we fix the new.
now closing with the plaster to all holes, so looks new. Outside already dry. So as you can see, now the plaster going to done. After that we need to finishing this all once this one dry, because this one dry very fast, around 10 to 15 minutes dry, and then after that we finishing straight. So this one is plaster, how they doing, they are mixing like this plaster with the water, then put for the finishing. Now they are doing the finishing. So as you can see, he's doing the finishing. So finishing already done. We just now we fixed the light, so he's closing the light holes side, then finishing all everything done. After that we continue the color. After this dry, we put the color. So our finishing all done ready. Now step to color. So first step color also done. Now just cleaning the dirty marks on the things. After that put the final touch up, and then the silicone with the sides, so holes all everything will close. So this one is final touch up the color. So that is the all everything. Just now closing the side holes in the tiles. Maybe something left, so we are closing with the silicone. And as you can see, we all everything done ready. The ceiling looks like new. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video with the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you.